The only fix he just made was your transducer came a little bit more perpendicular to the aorta.
So right there. Yeah. Right? And you can slowly slide down towards this because of bowel gas, right? So you can take your other hand and just gentle, steady pressure. And there it is, right? And follow this gentle, steady pressure down, right? And then it comes back, right? As soon as you put your hand there, it comes back. Perfect. Keep going. So you lost it a little bit. It came back. Yeah, so use this hand to really
Kind of push it on the ball.
there.